Naches Fire Department says they need the county's help to take care of a decades-long oversight when it comes to responding to no man's land. That's areas outside of their fire district's jurisdiction. KVU's Emily Goodell spoke to the fire chief, who says it needs to be fixed or they might have to cut off service to hundreds of people in the White Pass area.
There's a huge area between Naches and the summit of White Pass that doesn't have its own fire department. A no man's land without taxpayers contributing to the closest fire district. But Naches Fire Chief Alan Baird says they've responded for decades anyways.
When we first were going up there, it was just a few calls a year. It was a deal, but it wasn't a real big deal.
But now it's 10% of their call volume, taking up a lot of time and resources and putting them in a gray area when it comes to state law.
The deal is that you can't go outside of your jurisdiction and perform, either firefighting or EMS, because you're gifting those services outside your jurisdiction.
Baird says they've been asking the county for more than a year to help by issuing a memorandum of understanding, giving them authority to cover those areas.
It's kind of a technicality that we need to have in place to make sure both parties are protected.
But Yakima County Commissioner Amanda McKinney says it's not that easy.
We're not the only ones with this situation, and it was really agreed upon in those conversations that this is a state legislative issue. A memorandum of understanding would also require financial reimbursement, which Yakima County is not in the position to provide financial reimbursement for fire services.
But Baird says if there's not an MOU in place soon, they'll have to cut services to those areas.
We respond quite frequently to motor vehicle collisions up there. People are trapped in vehicles. The deputies don't have those tools or the expertise that cover the pass areas, neither do the troopers. In regards to a heart attack, patient, time is critical. I hate to be dramatic, but it could mean life or death.
In Yakima County, Emily Goodell, KVU, Local News.
And the chief says if they do not have that agreement in place by March 1st, they'll have to stop providing services in that no man's land this April.